Our topic for today is computer system servicing, and let's talk about the access information using a computer.
So, ang software daw is a collection of data, program, instruction that tells the computer how to work. So, ang software ay isang combination ng numbers and special characters, pero hindi lang po siya basta combination lang. Yan po ay dinisenyo at ginawa ng mga professional na software katulad ng mga software engineer, software developer, computer programmer, web designer, at ang mga game developer. So, ito yung mga ilan sa kanila. So, in other definition, software tells the CPU what to do. So, si software din pala ang nagsasabi kay CPU kung ano ang mga gagawin o ano ang mga dapat niyang gawin.
Computer software is a set of instruction, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks.
Software ay isang instruction kung saan sinasabi natin sa isang computer kung ano ang kanilang gagawin. So, merong dalawang types ang software. Andyan ang application software at system software. Application software, in short, ito ay isang app or application. Is a program or program that designed for by users. Application software is used by users to perform specific tasks. For example, ay ang word processing software, spreadsheet software, and web browsers. Application software is used by user to perform specific tasks. And what are the example of word processing software? So, andyan ang WordPad, Notepad, Microsoft Write, OpenOffice Writer, MS Word, at marami pang iba. System software is a software that provides platform to other software. It is a type of computer that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. Ang software ay ginagamit para magamit natin ang hardware part ng ating computer. At ang basic example ng system software ay ang operating system. So, ano nga ba ang operating system? Operating system, it is a program that acts as an intermediary between a user of a computer and the computer hardware. So, si operating system po, siya yung parang tulay between the user and the hardware part of the computer. So, meron tayong common operating system para sa desktop and laptop. So, andyan yung Windows, Linux, at Mac OS. At syempre, meron din tayong operating system for mobile devices. So, andyan ang ating Android at iOS. Windows is an American multinational technology corporation which produced computer software, consumer electrical, personal computer, and related services. Microsoft Windows is a very popular operating system by Microsoft. So Microsoft developed several Windows versions to meet the needs of its market. So, the types of Windows includes are Windows 8, Windows 7 Vista, Windows Server 2003, Windows XP. So, yun, marami pa siyang ibang version ng Windows. So, si Bill Gates ay ang co-founder ng Microsoft. He's an American business magnate, software developer, investor, and philanthropist. Linux is a free operating system that can be downloaded for internet. It was developed by Linus Torvalds. At nirelease niya ito noong September 17, 1991. Mac OS is an operating system created by Apple. This operation system released from 1984 to 1999 at ang founder nito ay si Steve Jobs.
Programming program or programming languages are the language in which a programmer writes the instruction that the computer will ultimately execute. Is a language used to write a computer program.
Upang makapag-communicate tayo sa ating computer, we need some languages. And there are three mainly different languages with the help of which we can develop computer programs. And they are machine level language, assembly level language, and high level language.
Machine level language is the lowest level programming language referred to as a machine code or object. Machine language is a collection of binary digits or bits that the computer reads and interprets. Assembly language for system software uses abbreviation or mnemonics in place on binary patterns in order to make the task for programming easier.
Para sa assembly language, kakailanganin ng assembler. Para mabasa ni computer yung assemble na ginawa ni programmer, kakailanganin niya ng assembler. So ano nga ba yung assembler? Assembler is a special translator program that converts assembly language mnemonics into machine language instructions.
So sa high-level programming language naman is used English like commands or instruction. So, for example ng high-level programming language ay ang Java, C#, Python, C++, Visual Basic, Perl, and others.
High-level programming languages is the easiest to use and contain many complicated or advanced instructions. So, para mapadali yung mga ginagawa ng mga programmer, gumagamit sila ng mga high-level programming language. Ang high-level programming language ay kinakailangan ng compiler. So, ano nga ba ang compiler? So, ang compiler is a special translator program that converts high-level language instruction into a machine language. Language translator, it is a system programs that convert a program written in a high-level programming language or assembly language into machine language, thereby allowing a computer to execute it. Para ma-execute ng computer ang ginawang program ni programmer, gumagamit siya ng language translator. Para ma-execute ng computer ang ginawang program ni programmer, kailangan niyang gumamit ng language translator. So, ano nga ba ang mga language translator? So, ang language translator ay ang assembler, compiler, at interpreter.
So, ang tawag pala sa software na to ay source code. So, ito ay isang programming statements that are created by a programmer. So, which means lahat ng create ng mga programmer ay ang tawag ay source code. So, ang example ng source code ay ang C++, C#, Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript, Basic, and others.
C++ is a powerful general-purpose programming language. It can be used to develop operating system, browsers, games, and so on. C++ ay isang computer language. Ginagamit ito sa pagdevelop ng operating system kagaya ng browsers, games, at iba pa. C# is a general-purpose multi-paradigm programming language. So, C# encompasses static typing, strong typing, lexical lead scope, imperative, declarative, functional, generic, object-oriented, and component-oriented programming disciplines. So,
So, ang C# ay dinevelop ni Anders Hejlsberg, isang Danish software engineer. So, Java is a high-class based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have a few implementation dependencies as possible.
So, Python, it is a design philosophy emphasize code readability with the use of significance identification. So, ang Python ngayon ay isa sa pinakasikat na programming language na ginagamit ng mga programmer. So, ang Python language ay ang isa sa pinaka-easiest language to understand. So, meron na ring CubePython 3L para sa mga mobile devices o sa mga Android user.
PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. So, PHP is a script or executed on the server. So, si PHP ay kadalasang ginagamit ng mga web developer. JavaScript is a powerful and flexible programming language. It can be executed on a web browser that allows us to make interactive web page such as a pop-up, menus, animation, form validation, and others. So unlike sa mga ibang high-level language, si JavaScript ay hindi na kailangan ng compiler. So, hindi niya na kinakailangan yung compiler. At diretso na siyang nagra-run sa client, kaya din siya tinawag na client-based programming language.
So, basic in programming language is a general purpose high-level programming languages designed for easy of use. So, originally designed as an interactive mainframe time-sharing language. So, ang nagdisenyo nito ay si John Kemeny and Thomas Kurtz noong 1964.
So, ang mga nabanggit ko ay isa lamang sa mga napakadaming mga computer languages na ginagamit ng mga programmer. So, dito idadagdag ko lang kung ano ang software assurance. Software assurance, the main objective of software assurance is to ensure that the process, procedures, and products used to produce and sustain the software conform to all requirements and standards specified to govern those processes, procedures, and products. Software security and secured software are often discussed into the context of software assurance. Software assurance, it's been broader since refers to the assurance of any required property of software. Assurance refers to the assurance of safety as all the national of software similarity. In the other communities, software assurance may refer to assurance of reliability or quality. In the context of this article, software assurance is concerned with assuring the security of software.